If the scale isn't moving, it's not because you're failing. Your weight can fluctuate because of water retention, hormones, stress, or even a salty meal. That doesn't mean you're not making progress. Your body can also adapt to eating fewer calories over time, causing weight loss to slow down. That's completely normal, and it is all part of the process. That's why we look at more than just the number on the scale. We also monitor your overall progress and health. A successful weight loss plan isn't based on guessing. It's based on careful monitoring and personalized adjustments. We are here to help you every step of the way.